19th of January 2024. We're headed back to Arcade at the shop. We need to work on the van. It's 36 degrees outside here in Arberchi, and the van is 40 degrees. We don't expect it to get much warmer, if at all. The heat in the van is just not functioning, or just barely. We've got a thermometer down at the floor where the heat's coming out, and also one up, so we'll be able to see the difference. I think I have finally diagnosed it correctly, and I think it is this temperature control valve that is gone wrong. It has a new one in it, put a new one in it when they swapped the engine and transmission. But these aftermarket products are not factory products. As I said, the factory product lasted 22 years, that other one lasted maybe a year. Not even a year. So hopefully my diagnosis is correct. I don't want to dig into the dash and mess with the heater core, but there's not any water getting through the heater core, and this temperature control valve is just recirculating the water. And I would think that it could be a clog in the heater core, but it is a new heater core. But also this temperature control valve has a valve door shut off that if it's not open, the water cannot go through the heater core, and it just recirculates. And both lines, the supply and the return, are hot. The line going into the heater core is not hot. So I think that valve has got the door shut to where it cannot go through the heater core. We'll find out after a while. Today, tonight, tomorrow, one or the other. We also need to replace a blower motor in the 97 Cherokee because it has no heat. The 95 Cherokee has a tire and a transmission problem. So you got three vehicles and all of them have problems. But like I say, this is the newest one I have, and it's it'll be 24 years old in April. So we will probably stop. We'll probably stop it over here at 75. We're going to take 140 over to Adairsville. We'll probably stop over there and check fluids, make sure everything's okay before we get on 75 south, and then go from there. So we will cut this one off. May go ahead and upload it. I'd like to get another 285 complete go around, but I don't know whether I need to chance it right now with the van giving me grief. So we'll see how it's doing. But I'm going to cut this one off now. Okay, we're pulling into Adairsville. We're going to pull over and check all our fluids, make sure everything's okay. We're going to stop here at this racetrack, check everything out, and see how everything is doing. We'll check out the temperature coming out at the bottom and check the temperature back behind the seat here. Okay, coming out at the floor, it is what? 78, but I have to keep it on low speed or it overwhelms the heat and nothing comes out but cool. We've got this electric blanket, just 12-volt blanket we can plug up if we need to. We've got plenty of stuff. Okay, in the back here, it is 46 degrees. And it's just a couple of feet away from where that's coming out. I'm going to go ahead and put this one together and upload it. If everything's going okay, we'll just head down 75, head on over I don't know if we'll stop and try to get any other video, or whether we'll just take it on to the shop and get squared away today.